Pipe cleaner carrots are great for Easter decorating. They're super fast to make, so you can whip up a batch in no time. Let me show you how. For this project, you will need 4 orange pipe cleaners and 2 green pipe cleaners. To start, take the green pipe cleaners, hold them together, and fold them in half, making a sharp crease at the bottom. To start making the carrot, hold an orange pipe cleaner against the green pipe cleaners about 2 inches from the end. Coil the orange pipe cleaner around the green pipe cleaners with one coil right next to the other, almost on top of it. So you want to be able to hide all of the green pipe cleaner. You don't want it showing through. Do that all the way to the end of the green. And then with the rest of the pipe cleaner that you have left, you want to make a pointy end on the carrot. So you're going to coil it around in really tight coils, just kind of freehanding it, making them smaller as you get along to the bottom. So you can see I have a pointy end there to my carrot. Take another pipe cleaner and start about 1/2 inch down or so. Hold it up against the last pipe cleaner, and then you're going to coil up in the opposite direction. And I'm still making a coil, but I'm putting some coils one right on top of the other, so that the idea is we're going to get thicker as we go up. So you can see with the one pipe cleaner, I've made a bundle that's just about 1 inch long or so. I'm going to do the same thing with the remaining 2 pipe cleaners, making my bundles a little thicker as I progress up the green. Okay, tuck the end in, tuck in any stray ends as you finish. Then with the green ends, I'm just going to slightly bend them out apart from each other and maybe give these ends a little bit of a curve in them. And you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more holiday pipe cleaner and other craft ideas. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.